So your website spend 90% of your time indoors, then now watch your breaks. Okay, so you are talking about like indoor air conditioning. Yeah, understand the indoor air sequence. Okay, this is like an introduction of okay, so some indoor pollution. I'll say yeah, PM 2.5. I know that one. So your website, outdoor air, understand the source of indoor air pollution and to prove it. Okay, so those are clickable, which is also okay. So I'll click this one first. So outdoor air pollutions. Wait. So why outdoor affect indoor air? Let's find out pollution and find the most gas in the water. We know you can check out the outside air pollution. Air pollution. Is this a live one or? Oh, it's very honest. Okay, actually zoom out this one. Wait, but is it colored or not? This one. You're saying check out the outside air pollution condition, right? Is it actually colored? Oh, so you're saying this one, this like 16 is actually the number of the air condition, and it's actually all good in Australia. Okay. Oh, there's something in New Zealand which is bad. Let's see, like zoom in higher. Okay. So it can actually mark some place in China. Okay, let's skip that. That's actually pretty fun. It's all good. You can also refer this one. Emission, COVID. Okay, so it's talking about emissions. What about just put COVID? Another place, Box Hill. I'll see. Is there any? So there's like emissions of this Box Hill Hospital. So talking about hospital, how does it actually emission the air pollution? It's not too much. So although it takes hospital as some kind of emission of polluting gas or something, it's not actually so much. What about this? Princess laundry service. Okay. Yeah, it's not still not too much as well. Yeah, but it's fine. Potential disease caused by outdoor air pollution. Okay, so those are the diseases. Okay. Potential diseases. If I didn't click, move your mouse in the right potential disease. Okay. So I think you got an indoor one, right? Yeah, this is talking about outdoor one. Indoor air pollution, bedrooms, car, kitchen. This is also potential diseases with like indoor polluting sources. So let's say bedroom. There are a lot of things you could cause the indoor air pollutions. At the same time, you will easily ignore them. So it's like letting me to discover. Is that smoking? Okay, smoking. Mixture of smoke and gas. Lung cancer. Yeah, stressors. Quit smoking now. You can actually make an app for quit smoking. So someone did that for health or something. And batting. You should skiing. Oh, okay. Simpsons. Resistant. Resistant reaction. Window. What does that? Picture below. Improve the indoor air pollution. Open is significant reduced indexes. Okay, so those are the figures of the things can cause diseases and it can reduce CO2. Do you actually count CO2 as kind of polluting thing. You might need to consider that. It might be somehow polluting, but yeah, gloss. This air refresher can emit a range of percent. Okay, so it's actually a bad thing. Replace it with okay essential oils. Yes, that's interesting actually. Goes to okay. I already see this car thing. I didn't see it. Car plastic. Is that plastic? Oh, sorry, WeChat. Pet potential symbols. I also have the navigation at the bottom. Sorry, just that's a mouse thing. Yeah, I'll skip that another one. Just improve thing. So planner, kitchen. Okay. So if I have a carpet, I smoke, then I can. If I click this, it's another tip, right? Yeah. So it's like kind of tip according to the situation I have. So this one. I just click off those. Okay, car. Smoke in the car, air conditioner, air refresher. Smoke. Remember to open the windows. You want to smoke in the car? Remember to open the windows. That's actually helpful. Uh, Is there anyone that gonna smoke in the car and not open the window? I'm just curious about. So that's something to. Yeah. So overall, it's actually pretty impressive that every sources can be clicked. And is there? This is one interesting is you put like air conditioning thing there and says, you know, but is that there should be a link to the outdoor one, right? It's not here. Where is it? Like the navigation it has home source of indoor air pollution, and you mentioned some outdoor thing here, but it's not in the it's not. It should be there, right? Okay, yeah, that's the thing. I was trying to like I saw this one in the first place, and you might need to reorder it like this one. I think you want to propose this indoor first, then just saying like outdoor things affecting indoor one. So like put this after this one, and yeah, put that in the navigation. I was trying to find it. I was trying to say like this one is actually interesting. I didn't actually know this. What does this number refer to? Cause they are all good like in Australia, but yeah, it's pretty nice overall. Yeah, pretty impressive, I'll say.